ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, গত ভিডিওতে আমরা এইচএস সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের ইংলিশ সাহিত্যের মানে ফ্লেমিঙ্গো বুকের গোয়িং প্লেসেস এই চ্যাপ্টারের 1 ও 2 মার্কের প্রশ্নের উত্তর নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছিলাম। তো আজকে আমি আলোচনা করব 5 মার্কের প্রশ্নের উত্তর নিয়ে। তো প্রথমেই আছে, সুফি অ্যান্ড জ্যান্সি ওয়ার ক্লাসমেটস অ্যান্ড ফ্রেন্ডস, হোয়াট ওয়ার দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন দেম দ্যাট শো আপ ইন দ্য স্টোরি। তো উত্তর হবে, though Sophie and Jancy were classmates and friends, they were poles apart in nature and temperament. Sophie was a daydreamer who lived in a world of fantasy. She dreamed to open a boutique and wants to be a manager, an actress, or even a fashion designer, which were far away from the reality of life. On the contrary, Jancy, being a practical and realistic girl, was well aware that both Sophie and herself were meant for the biscuit factory. Secondly, unlike Jansi, Supi had a great fascination for things unknown, but Jansi felt contented with whatever she had. Supi is, in a sense, somewhat introverted, as she wanted to keep the story of her meeting with Denikasi secret, but Jansi was an extrovert, as she was in the habit of spreading any news across the locality. পরের প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, হাউ উড ইউ ডেসক্রাইব দ্য ক্যারেক্টার অ্যান্ড টেম্পারামেন্ট অফ সুফিজ ফাদার। তো উত্তর হবে, ইন দ্য স্টোরি গ্লোয়িং প্লেসেস, A.R. Barton portrays a stretchy picture of the character and temperament of Sufi's father. He is a man of plumpy face, looking grimy and sweaty. He seems to be not a man of a very refined and sophisticated nature. Sufi's father, a man of aggressive Milliness, is a crazy football fan and goes watch the match of every week. Later he goes to a pub to celebrate the victory of United. Sufi's father knows Sufi very well, who is always critical of her nature of daydreaming and does not believe her wild stories. When Geoff told him about Sufi's meeting with Denikasi, he looks at her with disdain and ignores her totally. He even warns Sophie aggressively that one day she would be in big trouble for such imaginative stories. পরের প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, হোয়াট সোশিও ইকোনমিক ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড ডিড সুফি বিলং টু? হোয়াট আর দ্য ইন্ডিকেটরস অব হার ফ্যামিলিজ স্ট্যাটাস? উত্তর হবে, Sufi belongs to a lower middle class family. Jansi and Sufi are classmates and friends. Sufi is an escapist. She dreams of things that she can't get in real life. She dreams of opening a boutique and becoming a fashion designer. Jansi knows that they are both earmarked for the biscuit factory. Sufi's wild dreams need a lot of money. Little Derek understands his unrealistic sister well. She thinks money grows on trees dead. Her socio-economic background is reflected by her brother Geoff's occupation. He is an apprentice mechanic. Her father lacks sophistication. He grunts and tosses one of little Derek's shoes from his chair into the sofa. The family does not own a servant or a car. All these confirm that they belong to a lower income group. পরের প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, why did Sophie like her brother Geoff more than any other person? From her perspective, what did he symbolize? তো উত্তর হবে, Sophie liked her brother Geoff more than any other person because Geoff was the only person who listened to her wild stories with patience. Moreover, she could share all her secrets with him, and Sophie believed that Geoff could be trusted to keep all her secrets to himself. To Sophie, Geoff became a symbol of her imaginative world, an unknown world which had a special attraction for her. Geoff's silent nature made her suspicious of his areas of life about which she knew nothing. She further imaginated that these areas of his life might have more exotic and interesting people, and Sophie longed to know about them. She dreamed of riding with her brother to that world of fantasy and even sensed the sound of applause as the world rose to greet him. তো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, এই গেল গোয়িং প্লেসেস চ্যাপ্টারের বড় অর্থাৎ 5 মার্কের প্রশ্নের উত্তর। তো বিশেষ করে কয় বছর ধরে এগুলো ঘুরে ফিরে পরীক্ষায় আসছে। তো তোমরা ভিডিওগুলো ফলো করতে থাকো। আমি পরবর্তীতে এরকম আরও কোনো শিক্ষণীয় ভিডিও নিয়ে হাজির হব। ততক্ষণ তোমরা ভালো থেকো। আজকে এই পর্যন্ত।